Welcome to this exciting tutorial on using augmented reality for historical reconstructions. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of combining technology with history, allowing us to visualize and interact with our past in a groundbreaking way. Before we jump into the code, let's outline what we will cover in this video. We will start by discussing the basics of augmented reality and its significance in historical reconstructions. Next, we will explore chosen tools and technologies that allow us to develop a simple AR application. Finally, we will build a prototype showcasing a historical landmark. So, what is augmented reality? AR overlays digital content onto the real world, enhancing our perception of our surroundings. By bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds, AR can bring historical sites back to life, providing users with immersive experiences. Historically, AR has been used to recreate famous battlefields and lost cities. Imagine standing at the ruins of a castle and viewing its original splendor right before your eyes. This capability not only sparks curiosity, but also provides educational opportunities. For our project today, we will be using Unity, a powerful game development platform, along with Vuforia, an AR toolkit designed to easily create AR experiences. You will need a basic understanding of Unity and C# programming, so if you're new to these concepts, consider checking out our initial tutorials on these subjects. Let's get started by setting up our development environment. First, you will need to download and install Unity Hub from the official Unity website. Once installed, create a new project by selecting the 3D template. Next, we need to integrate Vuforia into our Unity project. Go to the Vuforia engine website, sign up for a developer account if you haven't yet, and create a new license key for your project. You will use this key later in the Unity configuration. Once you have your license key, switch back to Unity. Under Edit, select Project Settings. Locate the Player section, and in the XR settings, tick the Vuforia Augmented Reality Supported option. This will enable Vuforia's functionalities in your project. Now, let's add a Vuforia AR camera to our scene. Delete the default main camera in the hierarchy, then go to Game Object, select Vuforia, and click AR Camera. This will add an AR camera tailored for Vuforia's needs. With the AR camera in place, we can create an image target that will act as a marker for our AR content. In the Vuforia engine, navigate to Game Object, select Vuforia, and add Image Target. Choose the image target you want to use for your historical reconstruction. You can upload a custom image or select a default one. To further assist our viewers in visualizing this, let's review the image target settings. In the inspector panel, feel free to adjust the width, height, and aspect ratio to match your historical image's dimensions. At this stage, we want to add a 3D model that will appear once the image target is recognized. You can download 3D models from various resources online such as Sketchfab or TurboSquid, ensuring they are free or properly licensed. Once you have your model, import it into Unity by dragging it into the Assets folder in your project. Then drag the 3D model onto the image target in the hierarchy. This will make the model a child of the image target, meaning it will only show up in AR once the target is recognized. Let's adjust the scale and position of our model for a better fit. You'll typically need to resize it to match the dimensions of the historical site it represents. Enter the scale values in the transform properties of the model within the inspector panel. Next, let's add a simple script to create interactions once the AR model is displayed. Right-click in the Assets panel and create a new C# script named AR Interaction. Open the script in your favorite code editor. After adding this code, don't forget to attach the script to your 3D model within Unity. This script logs a message when the AR model appears and allows it to rotate when the screen is tapped. Let's set this up by dragging the AR interaction script onto your 3D model in the hierarchy. Now, for testing our AR application, we will build it for Android or iOS. Under File, select Build Settings. Choose your platform. Let's assume we are building for Android today. Ensure you have the Android SDK configured in Unity. Select the Add Open Scenes button, then ensure your scene is selected. Click the Build and Run button, then name the APK file and choose a location. Make sure to enable developer mode on your Android device and connect it via USB. Once the build process is complete, the application should automatically install on your device. Open it up and direct your camera towards the image target. If everything goes smoothly, your historical model should appear, and you can interact with it by tapping the screen to rotate. Congratulations! You've successfully created a basic augmented reality application that showcases historical reconstructions. But there's always more to learn and explore in this ever-evolving field. As a next step, consider adding more features to your application, such as detailed information panels that appear when the model is clicked, or even animations that illustrate historical events. Make sure to keep experimenting. As we wrap up, here are a few potential extensions for your AR historical projects. Incorporate audio narrations, add VR capabilities for a fully immersive experience, or even collaborate with historians for more accurate reconstructions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments your thoughts about using AR for historical education or what project you'd like to see next. Thank you for joining, and happy coding!